So right here we have the Lucky 13 little action figure printing all the parts. Get it off the print bed, it'll come like a little batch of stuff, still be stuck. So what I'm doing for my kids is I made 3 boxes. I'm doing hands and feet in one, the skeleton or like the armature pieces in one, and then the body, which should be like the accent pieces in a separate box. I made you guys 2 little sets here. So we have the green set and the gold set. You guys already decided you're gonna do gold body with the green skeleton and vice versa.
He's going gold. No, I'm going gold body and green skeleton. No, wait, no, I'm getting gold armor.
So there's yours. I labeled everything so it's gonna be easy when you build it. So now you guys are gonna go through the instructions that I gave you on your iPads. You got it.
Yeah, I think so.
Where's that?
Body box, right? So the head is part of the
I
body.
need help. Where's this? That's the head.
That's gonna be in here too. So if you want, you can just dump it out.
Are you sure?
My robot, and you make it by having a green skeleton, and this is the gold armor. And my friend here has and like green armor and gold skeleton. Yeah, it's like the opposite. And the gold is like very fragile, and this is he's like a Mario.
And how did we get those pieces?
We 3D printed the pieces.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
That's really good.
Showcase your robot.
Awesome.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.